video. This section will cover the rules of the road for the light motor vehicle, or Code 2. You may not obtain a learner's license if you already have a license that authorizes the driving of the same vehicle class. In other words, if you have a Code 2 license, you cannot apply for another Code 2 learners. You may not obtain a learner's license if you were declared unfit to obtain a driving license for a certain period and that period still prevails. You may not obtain a learner's license if your license was suspended and the suspension period has not yet expired. New rules. You can drive a vehicle without shoes now. If you only have a learner's license, you can also drive on the freeway now. And if you only have a learner's license, you can also have passengers inside your vehicle now, on condition that the passenger next to you must have a valid driver's license for the same vehicle class or higher. It takes longer for a vehicle to stop when the road is wet, when the vehicle is loaded, and when the vehicle is traveling at high speed. It makes sense, the faster you drive, the longer it takes you to stop. You may not park your vehicle in the same place outside urban areas for longer than 24 hours. The dim lights of your vehicle may not shine further than 45 meters, and the hood of your vehicle must be heard for at least 90 meters. That means 90 meters and more. Time periods, distances and measurements might be confusing. To make it a bit easier to remember, the license of your vehicle, the license disc on the windscreen, is valid for 12 months. Times 12 by 2, you get to 24. You may not leave your vehicle parked in the same place outside urban areas for longer than 24 hours. If no one has been killed or injured in an accident, you must report it to the police within 24 hours. Don't go with 36 hours, 48 hours, or 7 days. Those are all possible answers. The dim lights of your vehicle may not shine further than 45 meters. Times 45 by 2, you get to 90, which is the hooter. You must go for 12, 24, 45, and 90. 150 meters is also part of the presentation. That's your visibility. During the day, if visibility is poor for 150 meters, you must switch your headlights on. If there's smoke or fog on the road and you can see for 100 meters, you must switch your headlights on. You must stop your vehicle if a traffic officer orders you to do so. You must stop your vehicle on any road to avoid an accident. You must stop your vehicle when a traffic sign orders you to do so, and also at the signal of a person driving sheep. The word driving might be confusing. What they mean there is herding. The guy is herding his sheep across the road. You must stop. Seat belts. You must wear seat belts in the front seats. You must wear seat belts in the back seat. You don't need to wear seat belts when in reverse. But remember, children younger than 14 must wear seat belts. Be careful, they also say children younger than 14 don't need to wear seat belts. That's wrong, they must wear seat belts. How far can you reverse your vehicle? You can reverse your vehicle for as far as is safe and as far as is necessary. At the scene of an accident, the first thing you do is stop. Then you check for injuries. You can check the damage after you've checked for injuries. You can move the vehicles if it's obstructing the traffic flow. You must give your details to a police or traffic officer at the scene of an accident. If no one has been killed or injured in an accident, you can move the vehicles, but you must report it to the police within 24 hours. You may not give alcohol or drugs to people involved in an accident, not even as a treatment for shock. Overtaking. You can only pass another vehicle when it is safe. After passing another vehicle, you must return to your lane. Make sure it's safe to return to your lane by checking your blind spot. The back door windows, that's where the blind spots are. When another vehicle is passing you, keep to the left as far as is safe. You may not accelerate. Must you slow down? Must you reduce speed? No. You maintain the same speed. You may not pass another vehicle on a curve, near the crest of a hill, on the shoulder of the road. To the left of the yellow line is called the shoulder of the road. You are not allowed to pass another vehicle there. If there's smoke or fog on the road, you cannot pass. If there's smoke or fog on the road and you can only see for 100 meters, you cannot overtake. You can only pass another vehicle if visibility is good for 150 meters. When may you pass another vehicle on the left-hand side? Only 2 occasions you can do it. The first one is if the vehicle in front of you indicates it's going to turn right and there's enough space to pass on the left-hand side without using the shoulder of the road, you may do so. The second one is if he drives in a town in the right-hand lane with two lanes in the same direction. You're driving in the right-hand lane in a town where there are two lanes in the same direction. The vehicle in front of you is driving slower and slower. Maybe it's going to turn right. You can move over and you can pass in the left lane. Why? Because there are two lanes in the same direction. The key word there is town. When may you drive to the left of the yellow line? In other words, when can you drive on the shoulder of the road? You can only drive to the left of the yellow line or on the shoulder of the road during the day if you want another vehicle to pass. You can't drive there anytime, because anytime means at night as well. You can't drive there at night. And when you